Hello. I make something for you. See? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, love. Ayan. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko today. Actually, nagtanong ako kay Ikigay, anong gagawin ko? What I'm going to do. Kasi, syempre, birthday mo. So, special day mo. Kaya, nagtatanong ako kung ano. Kasi wala talaga akong idea. So, this is what I got for you. Hope magustuhan mo po. And I wish na good health ka palagi, of course. And, hindi lang ikaw, pati yung family mo. Yan. And success sa mga pangarap mo sa buhay. Yun lang. So, stay pretty, my love. Yeah. And enjoy your day. Yeah. Yun lang naman. Yeah. Happy birthday once again, love.